Argand diagram shared the region which satisfy both of the inequalities, right? So let us suppose something is given, mod of z is equals to 2. What does it mean? This implies that distance from origin. Similarly, z minus 2, mod of z minus 2, let's say is equals to 3. What does it mean? It means distance from 2. So technically that gives me, if I try to represent on a graph or an Argand diagram, so then I will get a circle with center as 2 and the radius as 3, right? You know that? Yep, same concept I'm going to use over there. All what is given, z minus 4i is greater than mod of z, right? Z minus 4i mod is greater than mod of z. So I need to find out the region where the distance from the 4i is greater than the distance from the origin. So let's see how to do it. First of all, this is my Argand plane, right? Let's say this is 4i, right? Because this is our imaginary and this is a real. It's origin. Origin is here. This is origin. We need to find out a point whose distance from 4i is greater than from the distance from the origin, isn't it? So let's do that perpendicular bisector of this one. I'm just dividing this one in two because since it's a vertical line, so I can do that perpendicular bisector aram se. So this is 2i because the points on this 2i, x is equals to 2i, this horizontal line, the points on that, each and every point is having the equal distance from 4i and o, origin. Let's say this is the point. Beta, this distance must be equals to this distance. Okay, now coming to inequality. I want a region where the distance from 4i is greater than the distance from the origin. So don't you think that it would be this region? Right or not? Because it's not, equality is not there, so that's why I'm not allowed to use that horizontal line, not on the point on that, but point in that which is below that line. So take a random point. Let's say this is my point. So you can see that this distance, sorry, you can see that this distance is greater than this distance, isn't it? So that satisfy this region, the shaded region satisfy this inequality, isn't it?